to enjoy fresh air. You did great overall. Let's keep going whenever you're ready for the next question.
Okay, please ask me another question.
Of course, let's keep it going. Question 3. What do you like most about your hometown? Whenever you're ready, feel free to share your thoughts.
Well, I like most about my hometown. That is the school of my hometown. The school of my today we are going to have a conversation about hometown. So let's get started without squandering our single minute of time. And you can also practice like me by the use of chat GPT. You can have conversations with chat GPT and you can also improve your English. So today we are going to use 4 vocabulary words in our conversation and I will use those vocabulary words in conversation, then I will tell you, okay, what are the meanings of those words. So let's get started. Okay, so now I'm going to start. So could we start our conversation? Could you please ask me questions about our conversation and I will answer.
Absolutely. Let's get started. I'll ask you the first question about your hometown, and you can answer in about 3 to 4 lines. Whenever you're ready, let's dive in. So, question 1, where are you from?
Well, I'm from a...
Take your time.
Okay. I'm from a small village which is very peaceful and it is with small.
That's a great start. Just a small tweak for clarity. You can say, I'm from a small village that is very peaceful and quiet, or you can say, I'm from a small village and it's very peaceful. You did really well. Let's move on to the next question whenever you're ready.
Okay, please ask me next question.
Sure, let's move on. Question 2, can you tell me something about your hometown? Feel free to share a few details whenever you're ready.
Well, I would say that there are many things in my hometown. Firstly, there are 2 parks. They are short parks, but they are good for the people where people can go and inhale and exhale good air.
That's a wonderful answer. Just a couple of small adjustments. You can say, firstly, there are 2 parks. They are small, but they are great for people to enjoy fresh air. You did great overall. Let's keep going whenever you're ready for the next question.
Okay, please ask me another question.
Of course, let's keep it going. Question 3, what do you like most about your hometown? Whenever you're ready, feel free to share your thoughts.
Well, I like most about my hometown. That is the school of my hometown. The school of my hometown is very good, and the teachers are very good. I was studying there. Um,
That's a lovely answer. Just a few small tweaks. You could say, what I like most about my hometown is the school. The school is very good and the teachers are excellent. I studied there and I had a great experience. You did really well. Let me know whenever you're ready for the next question.
yes, I'm ready. Please ask me another question.
Great, let's continue. Question 4, would you like to live in another place or do you prefer staying in your hometown? Why or why not? Feel free to share your thoughts whenever you're ready.
Well, I would prefer my hometown because it's my comfort zone as well as I have a lot of friends here. So I wouldn't say that I would not like to live in big city because in big cities we can earn more money for ourselves and we can feed our families in a good way. But if you are talking about my preference, so I would prefer my hometown.
That's a fantastic answer. Just a couple of small refinements. You could say, I would prefer my hometown because it's my comfort zone and I have many friends here. While I wouldn't mind living in a big city since there are more opportunities to earn money and support our families, my preference is definitely my hometown. You did really well. Let me know if you're ready for another question or if you'd like to wrap up for today.
That's all for today. I'm wrap up today. Okay, so we have a very good conversation today. So thank you for having a conversation with me and thank you for correcting myself and thank you answering me good answers. Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. I had a great time chatting with you as well. Keep up the excellent work, and I'm always here whenever you want to practice more. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon.
Okay, could you tell me one thing, that how many vocabulary words I have used in my answers. Could you please tell me?
Absolutely. Throughout our conversation, you used quite a few good vocabulary words. For example, you mentioned words like peaceful, comfort zone, friends, and opportunities. You also used some descriptive phrases like in my comfort zone and enjoy fresh air. Overall, you did a great job incorporating new words naturally. Keep it up, and you'll keep expanding your vocabulary even more.
Okay, thank you for telling me like how many vocabulary words I have used in my answers. Thank you.
You're very welcome. I'm always happy to help. If you ever want more practice or need anything else, just let me know. Have a fantastic day.
Okay guys, that's all for today. So my conversation was very good with ChatGPT, and I have used some vocabulary words in it, as ChatGPT has already told to all of you that I have used many vocabulary words such as peaceful, comfort zone, prefer, like I prefer my hometown, or my hometown is very peaceful, and my hometown is my comfort zone. There are many opportunities, like this. Okay, so you can also use these kind of words for improving your English. And that's all for today. If you have learned something from this video, then please like this video, share it with your those kind of friends who are eager to learn English. Thank you.